Welcome to the Early Year Singing Assembly. We're going to be learning a special song about making sure we all stay far enough apart from each other when we're out and about and when we're in school, so that we keep everybody safe. But first, we're going to put our hands in the air and we're going to go hello, hi, hello, low, hello, high, hello, low, hello, loudly, hello, quietly, hello, loudly, hello, quietly, hello, slowly, hello, fast, hello, slowly, hello, fast, hello, popcorn, hello, chewing gum, hello, popcorn, hello, chewing gum. Right, now let's have a little listen to this. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. Right, let's do my turn, your turn, okay? This is my turn. Have a listen. Take one step back and then another. Okay, now it's your go. 1, 2, 3. Take one step back and then another. Okay, my turn again. Make some space to make it safe. Now it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make some space to make it safe. Now it's my turn. I'm going to do those two lines together. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. Now we could do some actions, couldn't we? Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. Can you stretch your arms out really far? There'll be lots of space just for you. Okay, let's try that again. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. Good. That's how we'll all look after each other. Can you give yourself a hug? That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. Now, you can use both thumbs to go back, or you can use one thumb. Doesn't matter. But one step, two step back. Okay? Let's see if we can sing the whole thing together. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. Gosh, that was fast, wasn't it? Let's try it a bit slower. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. Okay, let's do the next bit. And if you sneeze, can you point at your nose? Don't actually sneeze, but just point at your nose. And if you sneeze, you need to cover. Can you cover up one hand with the other hand? There we go. And if you sneeze, you need to cover. Use your elbow. That's the bit where your arm bends in the middle, not your shoulders. That's the bit where your arms are attached to your body. But your elbow, here it is. Use your elbow. So, and if you sneeze, you need to cover. Use your elbow. That's the place. So we're all going to sneeze into our elbows, okay? Achoo! Like that. Not into our hands, because our hands touch everything into your inside of your elbow. Nothing's going to touch that. Be much safer. Right. And if you sneeze, you need to cover. Use your elbow. That's the place. We can all look after each other. One step, two step back. Let's try that with some music, okay? And if you sneeze, you need to cover. Use your elbow, that's the place. We can all look after each other. One it says, we can still play games. So, we can still play games. Can you do that? We can still play games. Have a go. We can still play games. And we can still be friends. Make our hands friends with each other. We can still be friends. Just remember for the moment. Have a go. Just remember for the moment. Make some space to keep us safe. Are your arms stretched out as far as they can go? That's how much space you need to make, okay? Make some space to keep us safe. Have a go. Make some space to keep us safe. So let's do that middle bit all together. We can still play games. We can still be friends. Just remember for the moment, make some space to keep us safe. Right, let's have a go at singing the whole song. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to keep us safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. And if you sneeze, you need to cover. Use your elbow, that's the place. We can all look after each other. One step, two step back. We can still play games. We can still be friends. Just remember for the moment, make some space to make it safe. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to keep it safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. Take one step back and then another. Make some space to make it safe. That's how we'll all look after each other. One step, two step back. How did you do? Did you get that? Okay. We're also going to do some songs just for the sheer fun of it. Why don't we sing our Kangaroo Nursery kangaroo song? Do you remember it? I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high. I touch the sky and all day long I sit along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Now, do you think we could do it a little bit faster? Do you think we could? We go a bit faster. Are you jumping? Are you hopping? Are you skipping? I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high, I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jump. Oh! I finished too quickly, didn't I? Whoops! I was going so fast, I fell off the end of the piano. Goodness me. Okay, it's time to do our goodbye. Hands up in the air. Goodbye high, goodbye low. Goodbye high, goodbye low. Goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly. Goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly. Goodbye slowly. Goodbye fast. Goodbye slowly. Goodbye fast. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye chewing gum. Goodbye popcorn. Goodbye chewing gum. See you next time.